So now let's see how we can import out pictures and work with them inside of Adobe Fresco. So to import out pictures, you simply go over here onto the left side where you see this picture icon. And once you click on it, you can see that you have three options to import pictures from. One from your libraries, from your files, or your camera. That means you can shoot your picture right away and then import it out as well. Let me just go to File in my case, and then over here, I'm here on my desktop where I have a picture. Let me just open that out right there. So once I open up the picture, what happens is that you're in the transform tool. You can resize your picture right here, rotate it out and place it anywhere you like and press done. You can also, of course, mirror them out or flip them out according to your need. So I'm just going to press done right here and you have your picture here. So if I were to go over here and let's say, for example, use the selection tool, for example, and go around and take the transform, nothing happens. That is because this is not a pixel layer yet. So what I need to do to work around with the tools over here to interact with the picture is to convert that into a pixel layer. So I'm just going to right click over here, and over here you can see that there is an option called convert to pixel layer. So once I click on it, what happens is that it has been converted into a pixel layer. Now if I were to use my selection or something else right over here, just like that, and close the lasso and use the transform tool, move it around, what happens is that it interacts with those pixels just like that. Let me just press done right here, and I'm just going to undo this out and deselect the selection tool. Another thing that you can do is you can make the water and the oil paint interact with it as well. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around onto watercolor, and I'm going to go to watercolor soft wash right here. So I can choose a color of my choice, or I can work around with my flow. Let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and choose a color like yellow, for instance, and increase out the opacity just like that. You can see that this is my watercolor, and if I were to go over here just like that on the side, you can see that it actually mixes out with the watercolor as if this was a water paint just like that. So I'm just going to go around onto the side and create this little cool effect just like that, as you can see. So this is what we can do with pixel layers inside of Adobe Fresco. Another thing that you can also do is make it interact with the oil paint. So you can just go back, go onto oil, and over here there's the oil paint you can see. So if you were to go around, you can see that it takes the pixels and turns it into an oil paint just like this. So you can turn your pictures into oil paint as well, just like that, by working around with it just like that as well. And that is how you can bring in pictures and work with them. Like I said, there's another way. So I don't have anything on my libraries, but you can also bring in pictures from your camera. So if you were to click on your camera, then your camera opens up just like that. You simply click a picture just like that. And what happens is that when you're happy, you can just press done, and it'll save a copy and then bring it onto your workspace just like that. And as in with any other picture, you can just go around and work around with it. You can convert this into a pixel layer as well. So just like that, convert to a pixel layer, and then you can work around with the oil paint and everything and interact with them just like that. So that is how you can work with pictures inside of Adobe Fresco. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.